Hi there, I'm starting a new series of videos called as Machine Learning Hacks. And this video series is aimed at showing you some techniques and hacks which can be useful to improve the accuracy of the machine learning model. And the business case which I have for you today is we have a bank who is using a machine learning model to predict a loan payback, which means that if this model predicts that the loan is not going to be paid back, the bank doesn't issue the loan. So the bank would like to improve the model accuracy, and even a very small percentage improvement in the model accuracy can lead to very high business value. So the data which is used in this particular model looks something like this. You have the annual income of the person who has taken the loan, as well as you have other information such as the debt to income ratio, credit score, loan amount, as well as it has also got some demographic features, as well as it also has got the information if the loan was paid back or not. So the current model is giving an accuracy of 89%, which means that it is wrongly predicting for 11%. So if the bank loan book is about 10 billion, in that case 11% of 10 billion, which is 1.1 billion, is lost by the bank due to wrong predictions. And you can also see the feature importance of the current existing model. And let us now apply the hacks to see if we can improve this machine learning model. So we are going to apply two hacks. The first is to create a business-oriented feature such as an interest burden, which is basically interest rate into loan amount. So this interest burden is not there in the original data, but we are going to create it using this hack. And then the second very interesting hack is to apply a logarithmic transformation to this very high numerical values such as annual income and loan amount. So this helps to reduce the absolute value to logarithmic scale. So the Python code would look something like this. We have this interest burden, which is basically the interest rate into the loan amount. And then we can apply this logarithmic transformation by using this function called as log1p. So if you have to look at the data, we would have this all the earlier fields, but in addition, we'll also have these additional fields such as interest burden, as well as this logarithmic of annual income, as well as the logarithmic of the loan amount. So you can see that these log values are much more smaller in absolute terms compared to their original values. So did we improve the model accuracy? Yes, we went from 89% to 91%, which translates to almost about 200 million savings for the bank, which is huge. And you can also see that the features what we have created, such as the interest burden as well as the logarithmic values, are also now part of the top features which are used by the model. So creating a business-oriented features as well as log transformation can help to improve the model accuracy. Now let us do a quick knowledge check just to see if you understood all the concepts which I have discussed. The first question coming your way is, why is it important to improve the machine learning model accuracy? And I'll give you 1 second to think about it. Right, so the answer is even a very small increase in the machine learning model accuracy can translate into very high business value. Now let's go to the second question. What is this hack about creating this business-oriented feature? And I'll give you 1 second to think about it. All right, so the answer is it is adding new features which have got some business significance. Third question, what is this hack about log transformation? And I'll give you 1 second to think about it. All right, so it is converting very high values to smaller absolute values using logarithmic transformations.